Hello everyone, this is exercise 5.1. Question number 1. In which of the following situations does the list of numbers involved make as arithmetic progression and why? We just have to check whether the examples are of arithmetic progression or not and then give the reason. Look at the first one. The taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is rupees 15 for first kilometer and rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. For the first kilometer, they said the fare is rupees 15. For 2 kilometers, so I write down the second term. The fare will become 15 plus 8. 15 for the first kilometer, rupees 8 for the next kilometer, which comes as 23. For 3 kilometers, the fare will become 23 plus 8, which comes as 31. Now let us see the difference between the first and the second one, which comes as 8. Difference between the second one and the third one, which again comes as 8. That means difference is constant. We can say D, which is equal to 8, which is a constant number. Therefore, this is the example of an AP. Let us see the second one. The amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. They are talking about the cylinder. So we'll take one cylinder here. It is full of air. Let us consider in the cylinder we are having 16 liters of air. From this one, 1/4 of the air we will remove. And then we will see how much air is left in the cylinder. So here for the second term I am writing 16 liter already it is there, minus 1/4 of it we are removing it. So 4 ones are 4 fours are. So 16 minus 4 it comes as 12 liter. Right? Now what they are saying, whatever the air will remain in the cylinder, from that you are going to remove 1/4. Here we are having 12 liter now. So from 12 liter, once again 1/4 of the air we will remove. So which comes as 4 1s are 4 3s are here. So 12 minus 3 it comes as 9 liter. Right? Now look at the difference between the first and the second one, which comes as 4 liter. And the difference between the second one and the third one, which comes as 3 liter. Right? The difference is not same. So straight away you can say that this is not the example of arithmetic progression. Reason is what? Because the common difference is not equal. It is not constant. Okay. Come to the third one. The cost of digging a well after every meter of digging, when it costs rupees 150 for the first meter and rises by rupees 50 for each subsequent meter. So they said digging of the well for the first meter, the cost is rupees 150. For 2 meters, the cost will become 150 for the first meter plus 50 for the second meter, which comes as 200. For the 3 meters, the cost will become 200 plus 50, which comes as 250. Here you see the difference between the first term and the second term, which comes as rupees 50, and difference between the second term and the third term, again it comes as rupees 50. That means the difference is constant. Right? As the difference is constant, easily you can say that it is the example of arithmetic progression. Let us see the fourth one. The amount of money in the account every year when rupees 10,000 is deposited at compound interest at 8% per annum. In the starting we are having 10,000 rupees. Here 10,000 I am writing here. Right? Now at the end of the year, that means the second term, according to the 8% we will get the interest. So plus here 8% interest on 10,000. So I'll remove the zeros from here. So it will become 10,800, right? Now for the another year, on this 10,800, once again we have to calculate 8%. So 10,800 rupees are there. Onto that one I will calculate 8%. Okay, so 1 second. Here this one is 1 0, second 0 cancelled, which comes as 10800 plus this one, right? After adding, I'm getting it as 11664, right? Now you see here the difference between the first term and the second term, which comes as 800, and the difference between the second term and the third term, which comes as 864, right? This difference is not same. Therefore, this is not the example of an arithmetic progression. I hope all the examples you have understood. Thank you.